Prepare to witness the 10 most bizarre and haunting celestial bodies drifting across the vast universe. Number 10 is GJ500 for B, a planet with a hauntingly pink, vibrant heart. This world stands as one of the youngest exoplanets ever discovered in the modern era. It glows entirely in a radiant and vibrant cherry blossom pink hue across the void. Do not mistake it for romance, for this blush is but the fading, feverish glow of a violent birth. With a surface at 237 degrees, it drifts like a massive, neon pink lantern in the deep cold. It uses the gentlest color to emit the most lethal heat into the surrounding deep space. With 4 times Jupiter's mass, it orbits its distant parent star at 43 astronomical units away. Retaining immense heat, it resembles a glowing balloon where no human could ever hope to survive. You would be scorched to ash while marveling at the terrifying beauty of its soft pink glow. This gas giant spins in the abyss, its dim fluorescent light challenging every known model of planetary formation. Stretched far from its star, it masks a violent history of cosmic birth behind a veil of softness. This is no gentle maiden's heart, it is a glowing celestial pressure cooker, seething with lethal fury, and primed to erupt in cataclysmic violence across the void. Number 9 is J1 for 07b, the Titan often referred to by astronomers as a super Saturn. Its colossal ring system is the largest known, spanning over 200 times the width of Saturn's rings. Placed in our solar system, its massive rings would dominate and eclipse half of our entire night sky. Over 30 layers of gargantuan rings surround it, like a world bound by endless, shimmering cosmic colors. The mass of this gravitational beast is roughly 10 to 40 times that of our Jupiter. With rings weighing dozens of Earths, it spans millions of kilometers through frozen dust and jagged ice. An extreme cosmic enthusiast, it decorates its form like a moving exhibition of jewels across the dark. Every gap within those rings signals the violent birth of a massive and powerful protomoon forming there. A celestial predator in its infancy, it relentlessly devours its own cradle to fuel its monstrous growth. This is the ultimate manifestation of megalophobia, leading us directly into the terrors of number 8. Number 8 is Sagittarius B2, a grand cosmic cellar spanning 150 light-years of space. Drenched in alcohol and ethyl formate, this vast nebula smells strangely of aged rum and sweet, ripe raspberries. Lurking near the galactic center, it remains a molecular cloud incredibly rich in complex organic compounds. It harbors over 100 molecular species, including sugars and amino acids, the raw blueprints for life. Acting as a cosmic bartender, it mixes countless organics into a lethal, raspberry-flavored interstellar cocktail. This giant floating cellar serves as a brewery for the very first intoxicating drink of the universe. Extracting its alcohol could keep all of humanity intoxicated for trillions of years, as scientists playfully suggest. Number 7 is WASP-1 to be, a distorted, egg-shaped world proving that planets are not always perfect spheres. Trapped too close to its host, immense gravitational tides pull its form far from its natural shape. Slowly consumed by its own sun, it faces the most tragic and bizarre demise imaginable in space. With a blistering short orbit, it burns at over 2,500 degrees Celsius in a hellish dance. Highly elliptical and flattened, it resembles a ball of clay being forcefully squeezed by solar gravity. Torn apart by stellar forces, this doomed world struggles through agonizing heat and gravitational distortion every day. Rich in carbon, its exterior looks like a scorched, elongated coal pulled from a blazing furnace. Every second is a sprint toward destruction, showcasing the brutal and merciless nature of cosmic gravity. Number 6 is Kepler 51b, a cosmic cotton candy with a mass so low it defies all logic. It would float in a giant bathtub. Attempting to stand on it would mean falling straight to its core. Among the lowest density planets known, this 500-degree foam ball remains surprisingly fluffy and light in the vacuum. This massive bubble drifting through space challenges every natural physical intuition we have ever held. Standing on this cotton candy balloon would feel like walking on clouds before vanishing into a bottomless abyss. Number 5 is 55 Cancri, a diamond world forged by intense heat and crushing pressure. Its core built of priceless gems. While it is the most valuable planet in the universe, its flowing magma keeps this treasure forever out of reach. 8 times Earth's mass and scorching hot. Its interior hides a fortune of diamonds worth more than all earthly wealth. A cosmic ring forged by extreme environments, it remains locked away by endless lakes of fire and molten rock. This treasure-filled hell proves the paradox that the most precious materials in existence reside within the most forbidden zones. Number 4 is Gliese for 36b, a world where extreme gravity violently crushes water into hot, solid ice, defying the very laws of evaporation. Maintaining its solidity amidst hellish flames, this Neptune-sized giant uses massive pressure to create ice that can never melt. Surrounded by eternal fire, this unmelting sphere challenges our fundamental understanding of these two contrasting physical states. This is not a miracle, but the sheer violence of gravity, locking molecules into a strange and unyielding solid form. Sublimating surfaces create a massive steam tail across the stars, while the core remains chillingly calm inside the fire. Showcasing solid ice amidst extreme heat is a physical masterpiece forged only under the most immense pressures in the cosmos. Number 3 is the Thorne-Zytkow object, a rare star spinning wildly inside another, a parasitic core nestled within a supergiant. A complete anomaly in stellar evolution, it functions as a dense nesting doll, shattering every known model of how stars live and die. This impossible union of two extreme celestial bodies challenges our logic, existing as a parasitic guest within a massive stellar host. Its existence proves that the cosmos can achieve a weird harmony to forge ultimate forms beyond our wildest human imaginations. Number 2 is TRES-B, the darkest shadow in the known sky, reflecting less than 1% of the light that hits it. Hovering as a black void, a pilot would likely crash into its surface before even realizing the planet was ever there. Scorching hot and light-consuming, it drifts through the stars like a massive, floating black hole without an event horizon. Its atmosphere is saturated with gaseous sodium and potassium, the galaxy's most efficient and premier light absorbers. Even under direct starlight, it remains a spherical void, emitting only a faint, eerie crimson glow from its burning heat. Like a dying ember gasping its final breath amid the ashes, this absolute silhouette awakens the primordial, bone-chilling terror of the eternal cosmic void that swallows all light and hope. Number 1 is Methuselah, a star calculated to be so ancient that it rivals the very dawn of time itself. Its estimated age is truly shocking, appearing to exist since the moment the universe first burst into being. A living witness to the Big Bang, it stands as the ultimate ancestor, watching the cosmos grow from its infancy. This ancient fossil, located in Libra, defies our physical laws with its impossibly low metal content and primordial origins. Like an elder who outlived existence, it mocks our modern calculations of the universal timeline with its silent presence. Standing before Methuselah, all of human civilization is merely a brief and insignificant flicker in the eyes of the cosmos. So, you think the universe is just cold math. It is actually a gallery of illogical and terrifying cosmic monsters. From worlds as light as cosmic fluff to those that bend time itself, some burn while frozen, others trap the very light. These impossible structures remind us that our basic human knowledge barely scratches the surface of this infinite and chaotic abyss. The starry sky you gaze upon is no romantic backdrop, it is a treacherous abyss teeming with monstrous paradoxes, lethal rules, and horrors that shatter every law we thought we knew. Even more terrifying is that this represents only a fraction of what lurks in the unexplored, dark corners of our reality. So, the next time you gaze upward, remember that every beautiful light might be a miracle we are not meant to understand.